Hey all, welcome back to Indian State Food series on my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to make a famous recipe of Jammu and Kashmir state called Mutton Rogan Josh. This is a very delicious recipe. If you not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's start. Take 4 tablespoons of mustard oil, add it in a pan. Pinch of hing. Then take 1 kg of mutton. Here I am using bone meat. Add it and saute well. Leave it for 5 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and saute well till the raw smell gone. Then add fried onion, mix it well and leave it for few minutes. After 5 minutes, add water. Usually in this recipe we add mutton stock, but here I am using water. If you had, you can add mutton stock too. Spices, we need half teaspoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, salt as needed, and then 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Add it and mix it well. Add whole spices. For this we need 4 to 5 black cardamom, 1 tablespoon of green cardamom, 1 spoon of cloves, 1 big cinnamon stick, 1 mace, 2 bay leaves. Add all in one cloth. Put it in a mutton mixture, cover the lid and cook it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take half a cup of yogurt and mix it well. Cover it and leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, add it and take 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, add it and mix it well. Add it and mix it well. Leave it for 5 minutes. Serve hot. Delicious Mutton Rogan Josh recipe is ready. Do try at home. If you like this video, please give thumbs up. and subscribe to my channel Rihat Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.